This is how to compare two date ranges in performance in Google Search Console. From your dashboard, select a property, then go to Performance, then go to More, and go to Compare. Scroll down and you can see here Custom, and you can set the start date and end date and versus the start date and end date you want to compare. So just click Apply, and you can see here the comparison of clicks, impressions, CTR, and average position. And if you want to compare another date ranges, just click Reset Filters, then click More, Compare, Custom, and we'll select a new date range. Let's say 1 and okay. And just click Apply. So this is how to compare two date ranges in performance in Google Search Console.